Hey loves, I hope you all have been doing well. I've been here just honestly busier than I always think I'm gonna be, but I'm still here making these videos for you guys and making or doing, I should say, nail art. So today I have this quick and easy Chevron nail art, and I absolutely love how these turned out. Nail vinyls are so handy and so easy to use. I mean, at first it does take some practice, but once you get the hang of it, it is easy to use. If you'd like to continue seeing how I came up with this look, keep on watching. So for the base of my nail art, I'll be going in using this gorgeous Holo navy blue polish by Paint It Pretty polish called Midnight Sparkle. I'll be applying it in two thin coats. Next, I'll be going in with my Girly Bits Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat and applying a thin coat over my base to help speed up the drying process and make it easier to work with the nail vinyls. For the chevron design, I'll be going in using these What's Up Nails regular chevron nail tape, which is what I was saying is pretty easy to use, and I'll be using 2 of them. For me personally, when it comes to applying the chevrons, or any type of nail vinyl, nail decals, nail stencils, I prefer to use my tweezer because it makes it a bit easier, and as you can see, I'm trying to line them up as even as possible. Next, I'll be going in with one of my favorite black polishes by Color Club called Where's the Soiree, and I'll be applying this color over the chevron nail vinyls. Now that I have the amount of coverage that I want, I'll be going in and removing the nail vinyls as carefully as possible. Now that I've gone in and cleaned up around my cuticles, I'll be applying one last coat of Girly Bits Water Rush Top Coat. And there you have it, quick, easy, and simple nail art. I absolutely love how this design turned out. Honestly, sometimes simplicity is my favorite just because of how quick it can be done, and the final result is always gorgeous. As always, if you have any questions and or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I will also have all the products that I use listed in the section down below as well. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you did like or dislike, and as always guys, stay glamorous.